everybody. It is the day after Christmas and I'm starting a couple of new little series on my channel. There's two things I actually need to go through terribly, and just going through the drawers doesn't do it justice. So what we're going to do is we're going to start working a series on foundation and on my eyeshadows. So I'm going to try and, this is actually going to be two videos into one, or one video into two, something like that. And yeah, so we're gonna put some foundation on, and then we're gonna try some palettes, and then I'm gonna come back and update you about how I feel about the foundation and all of that. So something I'm really enjoying on my skin right now is this Glam Glow Volcasmic moisturizer. Because the foundation I'm going to use today is pretty dewy, I have this both in the matte formula and then in the other formula that's not matte. And then this foundation is pretty dewy. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. Normally I love this foundation, so we're going to see, are we still in love? Did we fall out of love? You know how it goes. So I'm going to go wet my beauty blender and I'll be right back. I'm back. I'm probably going to do my my eyes first. Please ignore all this silliness on my face. But I am going to put some of this Volcasmic on because it's a matte glow moisturizer and I've just been loving it. I tell you, I thought I would not repurchase it. I'm probably going to repurchase this. It smells like creamsicles and it's just perfect. Alright, let that. And finish up my face. So I've been using this, this is my Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Primer, and I've just been putting it in my T-zone, which could be why I'm breaking out, but that's okay. Works. Break out all the time. I never know what it is. So I'm just putting it into my pores. It's interesting where I'm broken out is exactly where I've been putting this. But it works so good. Alright. Now we're going to go in with our Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. We're going to be trying this foundation, and I'll give you guys some updates throughout the day on how it's wearing. It has a little bit of a strange little dropper. I don't even know that it works. I mean, it does something. See, this is just a mess for me. Mess. Messy. It's very runny. But it's very, like I don't feel like I have a bunch of crap on my face. If you know what I mean. I would say it's got a sheer, it's got a light to medium coverage. You gotta really build it up. Gone in with a brush and then smoothed it out with this. Sometimes that's better, at least for me, because I don't feel like I'm picking up all the product on my skin like I do when I'm using a beauty blender. Alright, so as you can see, it's not 100% coverage. It's just not. It's not ever going to be 100% coverage. We're going to go right in top of it with our Born This Way concealer in a couple of spots. um, where I think I need it. I should probably do more than. I don't normally put all this all over my face, but I haven't in a long time used this much concealer on my face. Patting that in. And my eyes are still creasing. Okay, now let's go into some powder. We're gonna really try and use up some powder again. I gotta find it though. There it is, my air spun. I'm gonna pull that out. I wonder if baking underneath my eyes will stop the creasing. Probably not. Probably not. But we're gonna do just a little bit more powder, and we're gonna put that on our face. I have to use powder. I have to use setting powder. I don't care if the foundation says it's non-transferable, all that garb, I have to use it. Okay? Okay. And honestly, for a drugstore, this airspun is fabulous and it lasts forever. It's very finely milled. And already that breakout is coming right through with foundation and primer. That's okay. Or concealer. That's alright. Who dat? Nobody I want to talk to. Why does everybody call when I'm doing this? Okay. So another step that I have been doing is I've been wetting my face. And just let that dry. Alright everybody, this is the finished look. So I do have on my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation. I am in light medium. I can already see a blemish peeking through, but you know, this is a light to medium coverage foundation. But I don't even feel like I have it on. So I will keep you posted throughout the day and let you know how this is wearing. It is 10:30 right now, and we'll come back in a couple of hours and give you an update. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.